getting the vision and getting in there and trying to make it. And I love getting barreled. It's so fun on a boogie. You can get deeper than you can on a surfboard, I think, unless you're Kelly Slater. But barrel riding is just one of the most fun parts of bodyboarding, I think. And the key is, looking for that perfect little wedgie wave and just going for it. There's a lot of times where I know I'm not going to make it, but getting the vision and getting in there and trying to make it. And it's just hoping for that, exit. It's one of the favorite parts of bodyboarding, I think.
So are there any techniques that you think people, when they're beginning to sort of ride tubes, that they do wrong and that you think that you do right?
So my technique in barrel riding is, sometimes you're not going to make it under that lip because you're turning too much. You kind of got to move up and get that speed to kind of drive you through the barrel and get a higher line instead of a lower line, and look for that exit. Keep your eyes open and just hold on. Push down on your nose a little bit too, because sometimes, the wave's going to hit you. It's not going to be the cleanest barrel, but you just got to hold on and drive.
If you would like more tutorials, interviews or product reviews, just hit the like and subscribe button. And for more information on our UK and international coaching weekends, retreats, holidays and Outdoor Instructor Academy, visit our website at www.bodyboard-holidays.com, and we look forward to getting barreled with you soon.